Welcome to part B of lesson 4. Now that we have traced the 5 Platonic solids, it is time to bring them to life. We are going to make them three-dimensional by assembling them step by step. This lesson will require the 5 templates, which are available for download on our website. Make sure to print them on letter-size paper or larger. Just be sure to maintain the proportions and constraints. All 5 templates are ready to use. Glue stick or double-sided tape recommended to assemble the solids after folding. Use a paper clip or a blunt tool like the back of a butter knife to score the paper along the fold lines before folding. It makes a big difference. Scissors or precision paper cutter needed to cut out the Platonic solid templates neatly. Younger learners may need assistance when using scissors or precision tools. Ruler, essential for guiding clean, straight scoring lines and keeping geometric edges sharp. Paper pad. I'm using the back of it as a semi-soft surface to score the lines more cleanly. This activity is a wonderful opportunity to create together, explore geometry, and have fun building. You can also transfer the templates to larger sizes, use thicker paper, decorate them, choose any paper color or texture. The creative possibilities are endless. If needed, you can pause the video while you follow along, or simply choose the solid you are working on and play that section in slow motion. Suggestion for exploration and creative play. Before gluing the solids together, take a moment to personalize them. Use markers, paints, or colored pencils to add colors that resonate with you or align with the solid's element and chakra. Write messages, affirmations, or even fun facts about the solid. Decorate with symbols, mandalas, or patterns that express your creativity. Once your solids are built, enjoy them in any way you like. Create a hanging mobile using string or a stick. Display them on a shelf, desk, or windowsill. Use them as inspiration for architectural ideas, design sketches, or even as a starting point for thinking about building forms. Scoring is what turns paper into precision. It is the secret to crisp, clean folds and sharp edges. And while it matters for every solid, it truly shines when you are shaping the ones with many faces. These shapes are not only educational but also fun, inspiring, and full of design potential. Perfect for artists, future architects, and curious minds of all ages. Customize your solids with these meanings in mind. This is a fun and rewarding project to do with kids, students, or just for yourself. As you explore these shapes, you'll discover how deeply connected they are to symmetry, ratios, and spatial harmony. What makes Platonic solids unique is that each one is made of identical faces meeting at each vertex. Also, the dodecahedron and the icosahedron are directly connected to the golden ratio. Their vertex points can be found using a simple construction of 3 golden rectangles. The templates I use in this lesson are available on my website if you'd like to explore this project yourself. You can find everything you need to recreate this at home, including the lesson workbook, which contains all the tracing exercises to build the 5 Platonic solids from both the Metatron's cube and the flower of life. Since these shapes are often connected to spirituality, you may choose to use symbolic colors or designs. For example, There are traditional associations like tetrahedron, fire, cube, earth, octahedron, air, dodecahedron, universe or ether, icosahedron, water. Now you have completed the 5 Platonic solids, an essential part of sacred geometry. You now know how to draw them from the flower of life, from Metatron's cube, and how to build them using the templates. You just brought them to life, and that's powerful. These are more than just shapes. They are timeless forms that echo the harmony of the universe. Now they are in your hands. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and feel inspired to explore the possibilities with your new knowledge of the 5 Platonic solids. Leave your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.